Boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy. Does he have a name?
Shift the hearing. Mateo. Mateo.
Mateo.
Yes.
Yeah?
Oh, Mateo.
So we just gotta see if we can get a ready. That's okay.